So hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to do the review of such a controversial phone that is Redmi Note 7 Pro. Yeah guys, I'm having in my hand is a Redmi Note 7 Pro, the 6GB RAM 128GB ROM model. It's a Neptune blue color, and what else do you want to know in the beginning of the video? So let's get into the video and do the full review test along with the benchmark and reveal the truth behind the 48 megapixel. So there you go guys, so here's my phone. So I will just go into the phone and show to you. This is the phone with the Neptune blue and the 14 megapixel camera and the 5 megapixel depth sensor camera with a fingerprint sensor. It looks great with the gradient style. And now I'll get to go to the settings of the phone, and then we can go and see it in the whole details. As you can see, the CPU is 2.02 gigahertz, where normally they say in the name box or there it says about 2 gigahertz, which is not a problem. Then but you can see as the RAM is 3.2 GB free out of 6 GB RAM. It's totally perfect, not a lot of issue, as it's perfect for the multitasking. Let me focus on the screen once. Yeah, there you go. So it's 128 GB ROM. So normally it's 118 or 108 GB ROM free. So that's all guys for all over the specimens you want to know. Now let's do a gaming test with opening a PUBG and see if does it lags or not. So here you go, I open the PUBG, and now as the games open up, as you can see, it does not take a long time as any other phone does to take for opening it, but it opens quite faster than any other phone which I have seen still now than Samsung, Realme and any other phone. It's okay with the speed by opening time, as suppose you have some bugs in the game, you need to close it and open it again. This phone will prevent you from the lobby to the from the lobby to the parachute jumping. It will take care of it. So here you go, I will go to the training cam to show you guys. Here I am in the training cam. As you can see, it's loading very fast, doesn't take much time. So it's opening up, waiting for it. So my graphics is in balance right now, as if you go to HD graphics there will be lag in the, not lag actually, there will be a more amount of battery consumption. As you can see, the graphics is quite better and good. I'm able to shoot, jump and just move. I'll go and take the AWM first. There I go. As you can see, I'm moving, jumping, not a lag at all. There I go, take the AWM and the bullets for it. And then I will take the DP. Okay, there I go. Okay, sorry, I took the Groza. I'll take the DP over there. Yeah, DP28 in my hand. And then I'll take the pan, the backpack level 3, the vest level 3, the helmet level 3. And as you can see, I did not make any lag in the game. And then I will take some bullets over there. And then I take the scope. I will take the 6x and the 8x over there. So there I go, 8x and 6x. Okay, what happened? Why didn't I take the 8x? 8x. Okay, sorry. DP. Oh, okay, it's a Groza. Oh my god, I dropped the AWM. Let me go and take it again and show you guys. Okay, there's the AWM. I just missed it and dropped it. I don't know why. Okay, as the name came over there, I was unable to click it. So you need to make the changes in the control so that you can easily control it. Whereas you can see how I have changed the control. The graphics is better. I will try to focus the camera. If it autofocus it, please focus it. Autofocus. Yeah, it's focused right now. As you can see, it's good to see the clarity. Since it is balanced, you have the shadows till now. Even in smooth, you'll have the shadows open. That's not a bad thing at all. It's a best thing. So I'm using AWM. It's quite good. Now let me go and take the DP and make a firing. And here you go, I make a random firing. I'm able to throw, knock down everything. It's better. As you can see, there's no lag at all. I'm the training cam. Many people would say that training cam does not lag, and while the real match it lags. Not at all guys. If it doesn't lag in the training cam, it will not lag even in anything. So it's jumping pretty good. Then the bomb, I'm able to take it. I will not take the bomb right now. I'll just show the graphics for you guys. So as you can see, graphics is balanced ultra. If you go to HD, it will go to high. It will not go to frame rate ultra. And smooth, it is also going to ultra. So right now I'll play in balance and then we'll show it in HD. So HD I'm not selecting, I'm going to balance. I've crossed it, I did not select it right now. So it's in balance, the graphics is good, shadow is still open. And now let me change it to HD. And now I change it to HD. And now as you can see, it's in HD quality, and it's pretty good. When you have the game phone in your hand and experience it, you will have the real effect. I'll put a short video in the side corner so that you can feel the real HD thing over there. So as you can see in the side video how it was perfect. It's a real match video, so I was recording and doing that so that I can just show to you guys that it does not lag the real game also. Now I'll keep it ready PUBG in the background so that I can open it anytime. And now I have many games like Call of Duty. Suppose you want to know how to install Call of Duties, I have given in the description below. You can go there and check the video how to download and install it. So now let us do some of the testing. Now let us do the stock application testing such as phone. Let me open the phone application. As you can see that phone application is opening quite fast. I have locked it, so I will unlock it using the face unlock, or I can use the fingerprint. So this is the one of the drawback which I have seen still now in the MI, that is they are not able to analyze it further. That is, suppose they are having the face unlock enabled, it detects the face unlock automatically and automatically disables the fingerprint and the the pattern unlock or the pin unlock. So that is one of the drawback over there. I wish that they do it perfectly. I'll go to galleries and show it. File Explorer, no, I didn't lock it. Let's go to gallery. Yeah, as you can see, face unlock will work directly, but if I go to pin, now lock and open it again. Here face unlock tick mark over there. So I have enabled it right there so that I can do it. So as you can see, face unlock will open it, but the fingerprint option is not there. The fingerprint doesn't work over there directly. So for that I need to click on the option right over there, and then I have to do it. Finger is not available, so I need to click it over there. Then I get the option, and then I can use the fingerprint or password. This is one of the drawback. I wish that they do it perfectly and make the changes in the system. I hope they will do it. Not at all an issue. Till now, the update they have given to Redmi Note 7 Pro, it's totally fabulous. And now we will do some of the testing. That is, phone is working pretty well. As you can see, 3.5 GB is still free, and now we'll open the PUBG and see it is able to open. So password lock, I hope it is stopped. Let me see. No, it's opening. It's still running fine. As you can see, even after opening messages, call, WhatsApp, File Explorer, galleries, it is able to run this application without any lag, and still those applications running in the background. So that's the fact, guys. The phone is not at all a bad one. It's able to process multitasking along with PUBG. And now we'll open Paytm and see it's working fine. Let me see how it's opening in the background or not. Okay, it's running in the background fine. Now this is all what you want to know over there. See, the cleaner is something around 30, okay, 44. And now this is what you want to know right now. And now if you like the video, please do like it. Now we'll go to the next step, that is about the camera. So now I'm having two cameras installed in my phone. One is a stock camera, another one is the Google camera. I'll take the photos right now in front of you guys, and I will show how the Google camera and the stock camera differs actually, and then we will make the comparison with the pictures so that I can show you guys how it works perfectly. So now we'll go to the Google camera and take a shot of one of the prize in front of me. Before that, I will show you some settings. That is, you can do more settings, and you have to select the saturation of the pictures perfectly so that you get the good photos. So for that, you have to go to Gcam settings and then to saturation adjustment, and then you'll have the back camera and front camera. So both the things you need to set to 2 point and 2.4. So it is the recommended one, as normally it will be 1 point, so you have to change it to 2 point and 2.4 for both rear and front. It has been tested 1000 times, and then I'm giving you the measurement and the correct values so that you get the correct photos over there. And then now I will take the photo using the back camera. Normally it's now 48 megapixel fixed right now, so you can see, as I have shown you earlier, it's 48 megapixel fixed. I have focused it. Now I take the photo of that prize in front of me, and okay, the finger is touching the screen. Okay, now here you go. I have taken the photo. Now I will just show the photo. It will take me defaultly to the Google Pictures, sorry, Google Photos. I have zoomed in. Okay, now we'll go to the photo. It takes me to the Google Photos, opening it using fingerprint, and as you can see, there is the photo. See the clarity. The 48 megapixel photo in this clarity in Google camera is not at all what I expected. Now let us test the stock camera. Stock camera with 48. Let's go and test it. The price over there and a photo. The photo is still loading, as you can see in the bottom. Okay, now loaded. Opening it. Now focusing at the photo with the HD pic. So that's the clarity using the stock camera. So this is how we can see how the Google camera and stock camera differs in Redmi Note 7 Pro, since it has the camera to API enabled by default. So now I will just show you some photo comparisons over there in the screen. So this is how I've taken the photos over the screen, how the night camera differs. This is how the night camera differs on the screen. As you can see, the Redmi Note 7 Pro photo is not so appropriate with the stock camera, but it is appropriate with the Google camera. And then few more photos which I have taken using the normal photo, the 48 megapixels, the outside door of it. So this is how the photo differs. And then now back to the photos section. Now suppose if I close the 5 megapixel and you can see the camera, it's able to focus. It's able to show the picture. Now if I close the 48, you can see only my finger. This is what I want to say to different people that do not test this nonsense things. People say that so it's a 5 megapixel and a 14 megapixel camera. Does it mean that 48 is off, means to take it 5 megapixel? No, not at all. It takes the photo in 12 megapixel when it is off. Since it has the Sony IMX 500 something, I forgot about it. So that is a sensor in the phone, due to which you get such a good quality photo. So now as you can see, this is the stock camera. I'm taking the photo using the AI option right now. Let me do some setting changes in it. Okay, right now this is the phone. So now I will just click on the photo of the thing in the front of my sheet over here. So this is I've taken the photo using the normal, and now with the 48. You can clearly know what's the difference over there. So now I've taken the photo, is the 48, loaded, completed, and now this is the 14 megapixel photo. So this is the photo clarity, as you can see, with the huge definition, how the threads go inside the another thread, zoomed out completely. I hope the camera is able to focus. So as you can see how the threads, each and every thread has gone to different loopholes. It's able to show in whole details 48, but in the 12 megapixel it's not able to. That is the different squares of RGB has been combined to make a 14 megapixel as a whole and have a different pixel coming up. I'll show you using this MI store option. There's the Sony IMX 500, I hope 500 something, just forgot about it. Let's check it out. I've seen the specs. No, I hope it's not that in specs. 14 megapixel it mentions. Spec. Let's go to the sensor. It's not mentioned. Okay, let me go to the overview and check it once. Let me check it. No, not there. Now let's go to the overview and see it. It is definitely there. Yeah, Sony IMX 586 flagship camera. Yeah, this is what I was talking about, guys. This flagship camera is what it matters. It really enhances the clarity of the photo than with the Samsung's flagship camera, which they provided in the beginning of the sale. Then they changed it to Sony IMX 586, due to which we get a good clarity photo, and they have enhanced the camera. We say it like that. So this is what which causes the ultimate difference using the Google camera and the normal camera. Now let us go inside the benchmark test, and we'll do along with that the stress test. So let's go ahead, guys. So here it is, guys. I'm going to start the Antutu benchmark test version 7.2.0 and have started it. So the fact is, guys, I'm going to really cut the video down in several different sections of the video, so that it doesn't take a long time and you can get to the conclusion very fast. So as you can see, the real test has begun. It's stuck in the middle, which really indicates that the benchmark is going to drop below. I will not say the numbers now. You can see it directly in the screen. So let me not reveal the benchmark number right now. So as you can see, it's lagging, and here you go. The test is completed, almost completed. So it's 96% over there. GPU, memory test, CPU, everything is almost completed. It's checking different parts, and I hope it will be completed soon. 99, and I hope, yeah, it's completed. Oh my god, It's 1,58,000. It's amazing, guys. This rank is achieved by totally less amount of phones, and there I have gone to the stress test so that I can finish the video as soon as possible. I know you guys are bored with the video as it's taking a long time to do it. Let me finish it and jump over the time as soon as possible. It's going to take 15 minutes, guys. I don't want to lag the video. Let me jump to the conclusion. So here it is, guys, the conclusion. The CPU performance, it's not the worst. CPU course load is not the more. And then we'll go to the CPU clock, course clock time with megahertz. It's not the worst, but it's bad. Temperature, it raises as it's going to the stress. It's not going more than 40. It's good. If you do like the video, please do hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified of the latest video coming out. This is TG Science signing out from here.